Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and well, this is the Daily Rant. And the Daily Rant today has to do with, surprise, surprise, Microsoft. It has to do with the surprising amount of blunders coming out of Microsoft all the time. So, we always have these surprises of something not going right. There are times when, it's Windows Update. And now we learned that people that have Windows 10, some of them not necessarily wanting to move on to Windows 11 immediately, some of them that actually have a blocker, meaning that there's something on their system that should prevent it from moving on to Windows 11, and not counting the biggest blunder of all today. It's been quite a few days now that Windows 11 upgrade is being sent out to people that have unsupported hardware in Windows 10. How can this be? How can a big company like Microsoft, something huge that is supposed to be, the peak of what technology is all about in security and ways, especially when what you have is, not counting mobile devices. If we talk just PCs, the most popular operating system out there for computers. And yet, you have these stupid things that happen all the time. Why is it that Microsoft is 10 times more in the news for bad things happening than Apple? Now, I'm not talking necessarily about, updates and stuff like that. I'm mostly talking about stupid things that you do that shouldn't happen. It is remarkable that such a big company has so many flaws happening all the time. And then you wonder why people are not, why are people laughing at Microsoft? Why are Apple users laughing at Windows users? Yeah, this doesn't help. I mean, you look at that and you're like, really? Okay. Come on, Microsoft. There's, more professionalism that should be from Microsoft than it is right now. It's almost as if all the people running the show are young amateurs that know only half of what they're doing. And then things like this happen. Add to the fact you're deprecating a feature on Windows 11 that actually reduces security in an actual version of Windows that's still working until October 23H2. And also some people on 22H2 on long-term support also are a victim of that deprecation. Can't you wait until at least we get off of these versions and say, okay, well, for older versions of Windows that aren't supported at all now, we're deprecating. Nope, got to do it while people are still using it. Bravo, Microsoft. You are today with these few little things I mentioned in the top moron companies. I don't know what you're doing. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.